Welcome back to Julian's 1000. You know what I did today? I went to 19-bed Boat Noodle shop. It's located in the Pak Nam market, near to the Pak Nam tower. When you get to the Pak Nam BTS, you just go down and walk straight to the Pak Nam market. Let me show you around before we get to the shop. It's supposed to push the door, but I pulled it. Here comes the 19-bed boat noodle. One with beef and one with pork, and pork cracklings too. Despite of the price, it is really good. And this is good too with cola. And you can eat ice cream or popsicle too. Such a great taste, great options with just 19 baht. Don't forget to try when you get to Pak Nam market. See you around.